Will AI steal my job? Designers everywhere are asking this right now, but here's the truth. AI isn't coming for all designers, it's only coming for one specific type. I tested every major AI design tool to figure out exactly who's safe and who's getting replaced. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm showing you which side you're on and how to make sure that you stay irreplaceable. So let me show you something, alright? I want you to imagine two designers. Designer A ships landing pages, one-off websites, and app variants. His entire value proposition is speed. Basically, he can turn around a design faster than most people. And his stuff looks pretty good. He definitely has some solid experience and a beautiful portfolio. But here's the thing, he spends at least 60% of his time on the boring stuff. Resizing assets for 12 different breakpoints, stitching flows together, swapping charts, rewriting microcopy for the 5th time because someone can't make up their mind. The majority of his time is spent on what AI is becoming incredibly good at. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer by the day. And then we've got Designer B. Designer B is all about taste and vision. He focuses on refining his taste, creating a powerful vision, and reflecting it in everything he does. He leads discovery sessions, tells brand stories, makes strategic decisions with stakeholders. He guides the entire process based on his taste and research, and translates business problems into design solutions. And instead of spending hours creating each design manually, he tests stuff fast with AI. He builds fast, then refines. He integrates the right tools into his creative process, and he spends the majority of his time on the stuff that actually matters to him. Now, here's the question. Which one is in trouble? If you thought Designer A, you're right. And that's when you start realizing that AI isn't coming to replace your creativity, it's coming to kill the busy work that's stopping you from being creative. If AI handles the repetitive stuff, the resizing, variants, the component stitching, you finally get to spend time on what actually moves the needle. And the best part is that it works for everyone. Senior designers can explore 5 times more directions in the same time. Junior designers can go from 0 to something usable in minutes instead of days. Simply put, if your output is predictable, AI can do more of it. If you value judgment, narrative, and relationships, you just got a jetpack that will 5 times your output. And at the same time, because AI gets better every single month, if you're not leveraging, your work becomes less competitive. You're literally getting slower and more expensive compared to everyone else. So that's why the designers getting replaced are the ones doing commodity work, not leading with vision and taste, and refusing to learn these new tools. So ask yourself, which designer are you right now? Now, for those of you who want to be able to adapt fast, I'm about to show you the exact system that we use to design 5 times faster while staying completely in control of the creative direction. And you'll see in a moment how amazing it can get and why it's so important to learn these tools and stay ahead of the curve. People are calling it vibe designing, and it's actually way simpler than you think. So let me show you how it all works. First thing, instead of going straight to Figma and staring at a blank canvas, you want to start with your intent. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use an LLM like Claude or ChatGPT to create a PRD, a product requirement document. Don't worry, this isn't some corporate 50-page thing. I'm talking about a simple structure, and I'm just going to tell it. What problem are we solving? Who is this for? What are the main features? What's the vibe or style? And constraints. Mobile first, accessibility requirements, etc. And that's it. So, our prompt. Let's say, I want to create an app design for an AI writing tool called WriteFlow. Problem, content creators waste hours writing first drafts. Who's it for? Bloggers, marketers, and content creators who need to write faster. Main features. You tell it what you want to write about, and it can create high-quality LinkedIn or X posts, emails, blogs, YouTube scripts, etc. Vibe, clean, modern, friendly, but professional. Think Notion or linear style. Constraints, single page, mobile first, needs to load fast. Please create a concise PRD for this. There we go, and this is what it gives us. Go ahead and just pause the video if you want to scroll through and have a look in more detail. Okay, a couple of seconds. And that's all it takes. Now, you have a much clearer direction before touching any design tools. All right, now let's go to UX Pilot. This is the tool we've built specifically for this workflow. Think of it as vibe designing, a tool that is intent first, pixels second. So we already have our PRD. Now let's take it a step further and import our own components to UX Pilot. This is what makes the difference between generic AI designs and designs that are on brand and actually look like what we want them to. Today, we're going to use Universe by Michael. You can import your own components from Figma or use a file from the Figma community. You simply open the UX Pilot plugin in Figma and start importing your components in so it stays snappy. And once we're done, we're going to choose our design system here. And for the prompt, create the main dashboard for my app, Writer Flow. Here's my PRD, and we'll paste that in. We'll choose mobile for this one, hi-fi, so our screens look like an actual design. And here in design options, let's toggle on deep design and max. This will give us the best quality for the output. Okay, and let's generate. And there you go, it's using our components. It's following the instructions from the prompt, and it's given us something interesting that we can start working with. Now, you probably don't want to settle for just one version. You want to test different vibes and directions to see which one you're liking the most. So you can simply click on your screen, generate, and select variations. Let's make 2 and see what it does. So now we have 3 variations. You could also use the first design as a reference and give it a different prompt. But actually, I found some cool inspiration that I want to give it. From Delaware Hossain on Dribble. I want our AI to mimic the style and create a variation that looks similar to this, but for our app. Click on Attach Image, we'll import our reference, and now let's give it the same prompt. Wow. Just look at this. It clearly took inspiration from our image. This gives you an infinite number of tests that you can do. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can see how different styles and vibes look with your idea. If there's a certain vibe that you love, you can simply import it into UX Pilot and see if it matches what you're trying to create. And what if I want to change a certain section? You don't have to redo the entire design. Let's go to Edit Options and click on Section Edit. Let's change an element from the design, and that's all it takes to make changes to our design. So, you can see how fast you can go from idea to actually visualizing how the design could look in real life. You're not limited to outputs that AI gives you. You can always change stuff. You can go back to your previous designs if you want to. You can make general changes that affect the entire design too. Speed is invaluable in any creative process, because the faster you can go, the more you can focus on the vision and your taste. Now, let's say that we're happy with this look. Well, we'll simply export to Figma, and that way you can start editing it and refining it. But now you have the vibe, the idea, you know what you're looking for, and you're not starting with a blank canvas. Okay, so imagine this. A product manager drops a rough PRD on Friday afternoon. You prompt UX Pilot, import the team's components, generate flows, screen variations for debate, and reference a competitor page to align on the vibe. Monday kickoff opens with hi-fi options instead of blank slides. Same team, same deadline, just 5 times the surface area explored. That's why we are firm believers that AI won't replace designers who lead with strategy, taste, and relationships. It replaces the stall. Here at UX Pilot, our mission is to make design accessible, help you ship faster than ever, and make it possible to focus on what truly matters. So if you want to try out UX Pilot, there's a link in the description with a free trial. We'd love to hear your opinion and see what you're building down in the comments. So I'll see you soon.